How you doing, guys? This is Chris here doing a deck profile on my Evilswarms. Topped a couple times at my locals with it. Guess it's about time to do a deck profile on it. First, let's start off with the monsters. Of course, 2 rabbits, 3 thunderbirds, 3 Crikions, 3 castors, 3 heliotropes, 2 mandragora, 1 dark arm. That's it for monsters. Now let's get to the trap cards. I play a save zone. Thinking of bumping it up to 2 because of Master Key Beetle. But I didn't pull none of my boxes. Need to pick them up. 1 infestation, infection, solemn, XYZ reborn, solemn warning, breakthrough skill, 3 compulse. I'm gonna go down to 2. 3 was good because of Draco second and whatnot, but I guess that deck is dead. 2 D prisms, 2 mirror forces, 2 torrents. That's it for trap cards. Now let's get to the spell card area. 1 monster reborn, 1 heavy storm, 1 rhoda, 1 dark hole. I play 2 dress to protect myself against bear and blaster and whatnot, and 2 pandemics. That's it for the main. Let's get to the extra deck. Three Ophions, 1 Ouroboros, 1 Bahamut, 1 Nightmare for the mirror matches broken and against Constellars, 1 Wolf, 1 Labalbo, 1 Emerald, 1 Pearl, 1 Black Ship of Corn, Cowboy, sad to see him getting reprint on the tins, 1 Dweller, against for the Dark Worlds and whatnot, 1 Shockmaster, 1 Maestroke. That's it for the extra deck. Let's see, side deck. Well, my side deck is going to be changing completely after the next ban list is official. 3 Maxis for the E-Dragons, double draw lock for the Prophecies, 2 Light Imprisoners for the Constellars, 2 macros for pretty much anything, 2 Mind Drains against E-Rulers, 2 Eradicated Virus, and 2 Emptiness for the E-Rulers. So yeah, that's my deck. Just, if you guys have any opinions, just let me know. What should I do? What should I change? Yep, that's about it. I was thinking probably if Trishula comes back, I'll try to add a level 1 tuner to the deck. If you guys got any hints of what I could use, just let me know. So I really want to play Trishula if he comes back. Yeah, that's about it.